Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to go live on the CoverStar app. Now there is a prerequisite for this because you need to get verified. You need to be a verified creator to unlock the live feature, and verification is actually granted for two main reasons. Either you are a rising talent. For example, this person right here has hosted challenges. You can see they have placed in top 50, top 9, and even top 3 in the feature challenge, right? And you need to create high quality engaging content that will gain significant popularity on the app. Focus on great content. And see, this person is accumulating star power. They could be verified soon. Another is external influencer. So if you're popular on another platform like TikTok or YouTube, and then you join CoverStar, right? You just go and link those in your bio. You can get verified. And once you're verified, you just come here, click on this plus icon right here to create. And there will be a go live option if you're verified here at the bottom center. You just swipe the camera interface to find the live or go live option, and then you can add your title or description for the stream, and then you tap on go live to start broadcasting. If you don't see the go live option, you need to focus on growing your content and applying for verification first. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.